Hi, it's Royce Eddings here. We're here in Morro Bay, California, and we're here to check out the big surf we've been having and all the damage that's been done up and down the coast. Alright, so let's turn around and look at the water. Alright, you can see the breakwater out there. All the rock that protects the harbor here. And that rock was all being mined from what is now a state monument, Morro Rock. It became obvious to everybody that this was going to completely disappear. And so they put a stop to taking the rock from here, Morro Rock, where we've got endangered California condors, mating pairs that were transplanted in there that are doing great. But anyway, so here's the beach on the inside of the harbor, and you can see the waves over there crashing on the breakwater. But about once a year, the waves are so big on the outside, they refract around the end of the breakwater there that I'm looking at now, and waves come into this little protected cove here, and there's surfers out surfing. Not today, it's not big enough. I imagine a couple of days ago it was more than big enough. So the breakwater there. Every once in a while you'll see a wave crash over the top of it. Not as big today as it has been, but we do have more storms on the way. Then over there you have what's called the South Jetty. I've surfed on the back side of that. You get some really good waves on that South Jetty. And there's another inside beach over here. I just saw somebody take off on a wave on. So yeah, it's going off here. Saw somebody right about there take off and surf it to the inside. Love the ocean. Standing up on it, that's kind of a no-no. When you have waves, every year a couple of people get washed into the rocks that are standing up there. These waves are a little bigger. There'll be people out there surfing this little inside cove here. You see it about once a year, sometimes several times in a year, but sometimes you don't see it at all. It's pretty rare. Came across a little buddy here in costume.
Does he wear that for a reason, or does he use it just for?
We take her mountain biking a lot, and she does trail running and stuff with us, and it's protective.
It's protective.
Okay.
And she sticks her head out of the car a lot, you know. So yeah, and then the eyeballs are the extra funny part.
Okay, so over here at what was my favorite surf spot, haven't been out in a while. The parking lot looks pretty thrashed because of the high surf that we had. We're going to get closer and take a look. We refer to this place as The Rock because of Morro Rock. Very popular surf place. There's always a lot of people out. So all of this is typically a parking lot. People come, surf, hang out on the beach, sunbathe, walk on the beach. See, tractors are working now. We want to go up and see what the damage was done. We'll check out and see what damage was done. We've got a tractor here grading in the parking lot. And as you can see, we're going to go get a closer look, but there's still some decent sized waves out there. being groomed. Let's go take a look at the beach. Yeah, God, I've caught so many nice waves here. Well, it looks like the sandy beach survived. Happy to see that. All right. Okay, great. So there's the rock, Morro Rock. Actually, a former volcanic peak known as part of the seven. I think they've updated it to 9 sisters, 9 peaks from here to San Luis Obispo. All of them volcanoes in a previous life. There's what's called bird shit rock. It's all white from birds shitting on it. And look at that! I didn't know there was a surfer out there. Oh, he just ate it. Yeah. Brave souls out today. Of course, it's calmed down a lot. Going down the beach, you can see just how many peaks there are all the way down. Probably pretty strong riptides out there. There's the beach. You can walk this beach all the way to Cayucas and beyond. There's even a dog park on the beach, way further down. Down there is Cayucas. Go back to an old 60s beach town. I love Cayucas. Alright, let's see if we... Oh, that guy's on a wave over there. Let's try to find him. Ride's over us already. Alright. Bird shit rock. Morro rock. Looks like the surfer may be heading out. Alright, Morro Bay, California. Kids are starting to have some fun out there. Boogie boards. Quite a few people out. Like I said, things have calmed down. Alright, that's what's going on in Royce's World today. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at our little slice of heaven. This is 20 minutes from where I live. I live in the West Hills of Atascadero. It's really only 11 miles as the crow flies, but it's about a 20-mile drive. It's a little bit windy. And this was one of my favorite surf spots when I was surfing regularly. Alright, that's what's going on in Royce's World today. Thank you so much for watching.